ATI Restoration, who is headquartered in Anaheim, California, has a very deep and long history in environmental cleanup. Altimeter Solutions reached out to us, understanding what our capabilities were in the state of California following the Eaton and Palisades fires. One of their carrier clients had a unique situation where they had lead and heavy metal dust that had penetrated the HVAC systems in a lot of residents. ATI Restoration has the skilled technicians that are trained in order to go in and to do this type of remediation work. We had already dispatched our national response team, so we were there at ground zero. So we had the manpower, and then we also had office locations in the Simi Valley and the LAX offices. And so it just made sense for us to go ahead and to support these customers in that actual area. The kinds of contamination with heavy metal, asbestos, and lead dust that was present in the HVAC systems, there was a question on whether or not they could be cleaned. The carrier, Altimeter Solutions, and ATI all met. We worked on a workflow that was agreed upon all stakeholders, including a third-party hygienist that would visit the site, and then they're gonna come back and they're gonna check it to make sure that everything's been cleaned appropriately, so that way the families can return to their homes safely. So our Simi Valley office, Brett Mulgrew, is our regional manager. He and Julie Paris from our managed repair program team were the two that spearheaded just the conversations and then actually executing it at ground level. ATI is humbled and honored to be the recipient of this prestigious award. Every restorer dreams of the opportunity to receive the call from Altimeter Solutions or a carrier client in their moment of need because they trust you. As a restorer, how do you structure yourselves to receive the call? How do you respond to the call? How do you position yourself for the opportunity next year or maybe 2 years or 3 years down the road where you can be a recipient of this award?